Part 2 of everything that Total Fidget Toys sent me. If you want to buy any of these fidgets, the link will be in my bio. This tie-dye poppet is definitely one of the coolest things that I got. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, look at this. If you didn't know, this is actually a necklace. And I guess you would just wear it like this. Whoa, this is so good. This poppet is definitely one of the best poppets I've ever felt. And it's also loud on both sides. I would 100% recommend this. Next up are all of these mini poppets. These colors of mini poppets are not listed on their website because they are a thinner material. If they do decide to sell these mini poppets, they will be cheaper than usual. But either way, I am still so excited to open these. These are so pretty. These are my first ever mini poppets, so I am so excited. These do pop very easily. Bye! Part 2 of everything that Boost Fidget sent me. So cute and kawaii. I think that this is a panda dimple keychain. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. I am definitely going to hang this on my bag. Next are all these dimple fidget spinners. Look at all the different shapes. I am obsessed with these. This first one has only 2 dimples. It's so fun to spin. This one has 3. And these 2 have 5. I think that this one is my favorite. I love the pops. They both pop amazing. So awesome. I am so excited for this octagon poppet. I love the cotton candy colors. This has to be my new favorite poppet. Listen to these pops. Reorganizing my fidgets. I've gotten a lot of new fidgets ever since I first organized my drawers, especially poppets. So I think it's time to organize them again. Poppets first. And the rest of this drawer. I'm not going to change anything about the mochis, but this is a mess. My stress ball drawer is going to stay the same. This basket was for my poppets before, but I'm going to change it to my dimples. Since there's so much room left, I'm going to add my pop tubes right next to them. I'm just going to put a bunch of random fidgets over here. Okay, it's pretty filled now. Finally, the poppets. Guys, everything fits except for this giant poppet, which I'm just going to keep at the top. It looks so good. Organizing my fidgets, part 1. I'm going to be moving all of these fidgets into that new drawer. I'm going to start with emptying all of my fidgets on my bed. It's so crazy seeing all of my fidgets in one place. So now I'm going to have to move all of these fidgets into there. In my first drawer, I think I'm going to start with my poppets and dimples. Speaking of dimples, I got this dimple as well as all of these simple dimples from infinitefidgets.com. The shipping for these fidgets were free, so if you guys would like to purchase these, the link will be in my bio. I'm going to put all of my poppets inside of this really cute basket. This is the best I could do. If I get any more poppets, I could probably fit some inside of the space. And it fits really nicely in my drawer. Now moving on to all of my dimples. First drawer completed. Organizing the rest of my fidgets in part. Rating all of my Neatos. First up are these color changing Neatos, and these are super fun to squish. These also feel a lot like a dough ball. I give these a 9 out of 10. The mini Neatos are next. And I love these because they're basically cheaper versions of Globbles. They aren't as fun to squish alone, but I love squishing them together. I'm going to give these mini Neatos an 8 out of 10. So next up I just have the regular Neatos, and I'm going to be giving these a 7 out of 10 because they're just very basic. And I'm going to be giving the Swirl Neato a 7 out of 10 because they're basically the same thing. The Shaggy Neato is one of my favorite types of Neatos. I absolutely love the texture of this, so I'm going to be giving this a 10 out of 10. This is the Bubble Neato, and I love the look of this and the Orbeez inside, so I'm going to be giving this a 9 out of 10. I got the Stardust Neato yesterday, and this color is gorgeous. 8 out of 10. This Cat Neato is so soft and squishy. 9 out of 10. Hi guys! I'm a new Fidget account on here, and I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about myself and what I'm going to be posting. My name is Charlotte, and I do have anxiety, specifically social anxiety, and fidgets have definitely helped me over the past couple of months with my anxiety. My favorite fidget is definitely the dimple digits, but I personally love them all. On this account, I'm going to be posting a lot of fidget hauls and fidget-related videos, so if you like fidgets or you like to watch fidget videos in general, you should definitely give me a follow, and I will follow back. And also comment any fidget video ideas that you have, and I will give you credit if I use your idea. And if you have any questions for me, make sure to comment and I will try my best to respond. I'm super excited to start this fidget account journey, and hopefully some of you guys can come along with me. See y'all in my next video. Bye! Part 2 of the fidget haul. I'm going to open everything else I got from Five Below. This gummy again is very squishy and sticky, and it also has this giant hole at the bottom. I don't really know what it's for, but if you do, let me know. Now I'm going to open all of these squeeze balls. Here they all are. I am so excited for these two Orbeez ones. First up is this blue one. It is very sticky and it color changes into purple. Next is the orange one, and this one color changes into red. I love this one, and it has two of my favorite colors in it. This one feels the same as the last one. Second to last, I have this neon yellow crunchy one. And lastly is the neon pink one, and this one is also very crunchy. I definitely recommend getting these. Lastly, I'm going to open up this 5-pack of mochis. The first mochi, this really cute blue starfish. Second bag, yellow seal. Third, pink fish. And the last two, dragon and... So I just got home from Walmart, so I'm going to do a quick haul. I did get quite a few things. So first up, I got some monkey noodles, so let's open it. Wow, these are huge. These feel a lot thicker than the ones I have, but I really like them. I also got 3 Neatos. 2 of these are the Groovy Globs, and this one's a color-changing Neato. So let's open them. Guys, I love these literally so much. I'm going to be playing with these a lot. And here's the color-changing Neato, and this one changes into pink. The next thing I got is this snake. I did end up getting the black one, so let's open it. So here it is, and wow, this feels so weird. This is my first ever snake, and I honestly really like it. I can't wait to make some cool shapes with this. I'm running out of time, so come back for part 2 to see what I get in these mystery packs. Bye! Oh my goodness, look what just came! My package from Mrs. Bench! Thank you so much, Mrs. Bench, aka Fidget Toys Plus, for sending me all of these fidgets. Mrs. Bench will also be sending one person all of these exact same fidgets. If you want a chance to win all of these fidgets for free, all you have to do is follow me and Mrs. Bench on TikTok and tag 2 friends in the comments. So if you want a chance to win all of these really fun fidgets, all you have to do is follow these rules. I cannot wait any longer, so let's start opening up all these fidgets. The first thing that I see is this globby. I love the little spiky things around the outside. This is so fun to squish. This is the prettiest fidget pad I've ever seen. Look at the pattern. Fidget pads are really fun on-the-go fidget. I love how it has buttons, it has a switch, and you can spin it around. I've never had this fidget before, but it looks really cool. This is so fun. I love the spikes on the outside. Come back for part 2. Hi guys, sorry it took so long, but here's the haul of everything I got at Five Below and Target. I'm going to start with Target. The first things I got are these bins to hold some of my fidgets. Plus, I also got a new fidget drawer, which I will make a video organizing all of my fidgets. First, I got these 2 Llama Squishmallow cuddlers. This one is mine, and the other one is for my friend. And look how cute, his name is Martine. I also got this bunny cuddler. She is so cute, and her name is Isabella. The last thing I got from Target is a Pop-It. Let's open it. The colors are so pretty. And the other side. Whoa, that's actually really good. This Pop-It is surprisingly really good. Next, I'm going to show you everything I got from Five Below. First up, I got this giant gummy bear. It's so squishy. Part 2, fidget haul. Everything that I got from Five Below and the Dollar Tree is in this bag. I'm going to start with everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. First up, I got a 2-pack of mochis. Look how cute. And the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree, which is probably the most exciting, are these Orbeez fruits. First up, we have this lime. Next is this strawberry. I love this one. And lastly, we have this banana, which is my favorite. If you ever see these at the Dollar Tree, get them. They are so worth it, and they're only $1. And here's everything I got from Five Below. I'm going to start with these pop tubes. I still can't believe I found these at Five Below. Let's open them. Here they are. Here's the lime one, the blue one, and the red one. Wow, these are long. I'm going to be opening these in part 2. Hi guys, so I'm going to be opening up these mystery fidget packs from Walmart. First up, I'm going to be opening up these ASMR pods. Okay, I just got it open. Whoa. So here's the first one. And here's the second one. It's like rubbery on the outside. This is